Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Then click on Lock Screen Password. Wait 5 seconds and choose Continue in the pop-up. Following that, tap on the best password type for you: numeric, pattern, or alphanumeric. You can always change it later on. Now, if you wish to change your lock screen password, tap on Use a different password type and click on one of those options. In my case, pattern. Finally, you get to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. In order to add a fingerprint right away, hit Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions presented by this OPPO. But you can always choose Cancel and just do it later. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!